Hello everyone, today I'm sharing very special recipe of Zinger burger, so let's start. We are taking one giant piece of chicken breast and we will flatten it. Now we will be marinating the chicken pieces with some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, some paprika, some chili sauce and with some lemon juice. Marinate these chicken pieces properly and leave them for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will be preparing our flour mixture. We will be taking some all-purpose flour, some corn flour and then we will add our spices. Add some chicken powder, some salt, some garlic powder and some paprika. All these ingredients are very important, so you guys are not supposed to skip anyone. Our flour mixture is ready. Now we will be coating our chicken piece into this flour mixture. After coating this piece with flour, we are going to dip this piece into cold water. After dipping it in the cold water, we will be coating it with the flour mixture again. I have tried 2 to 3 recipes of Zinger burger and this is the best one. That's why I am sharing it with you guys. Now we will fry this piece until it gets golden brown. Now it's time to assemble our burger. First of all, we will be taking the burger bun and apply some burger sauce. Then we will have the sliced onion, our chicken fillet and the cheese slice. You can also assemble the burger as per your choice. I like my burger more saucy, that's why I am adding more burger sauce. Then I will have some lettuce and our burger is ready. You guys really need to try this recipe as it is the perfect one.